Former Sengeza West Legislature Job Sikhala's star continues to shine after the politician was invited to speak at the Geneva Summit on Human Rights and Democracy, a major conference that spotlights urgent human rights situations that require global attention. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The politician who spent 595 days in pre-trial detention is now the chairperson of the National Democratic Working Group (NDWG), after cutting ties with the Citizens Coalition for Change following its alleged infiltration by the ruling Zanu PF party. Honorable Advocate Job Sikhala has been invited to speak on his experience during his incarceration for a period of almost 2 years and the human rights situation in Zimbabwe as it obtains today, NDWG spokesperson Darlington Chigwena said yesterday. In today's news, Job Sikhala is invited to speak at Global Human Rights Summit. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.